ISTQB Foundation Level, question 439. If impact analysis indicates that the overall system could be significantly affected by system maintenance activities, why should regression testing be executed after the changes? A. To ensure the system still functions as expected with no introduced issues. B. To ensure no unauthorized changes have been applied to the system. C. To assess the scope of maintenance performed on the system. D. To identify any maintainability issues with the code. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB Syllabus and ISTQB Glossary. By definition, regression testing is looking for areas in which the system may have regressed, gone backwards. Regression testing is executed after changes to verify that the system continues to function correctly and that no new defects were introduced as a result of the maintenance activities. This ensures the integrity and reliability of the overall system. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct, because the purpose of regression testing is not to monitor malicious or erroneous activities by the developers. This option relates to configuration management, not regression testing. Answer C is not correct, because it is not in scope of regression testing, but would be a consideration for the impact analysis. This option involves planning rather than testing. Answer D is not correct, because regression testing will not identify maintainability issues. That will have to be done via static analysis or specific maintainability tests. This option addresses code maintainability, which is unrelated to regression testing's purpose. My recommendation: please understand regression testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Firstly, let's look at the section 2.2.3 confirmation testing and regression testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that regression testing confirms that no adverse consequences have been caused by a change. Secondly, let's look at the glossary definition. Regression testing is a type of change-related testing to detect whether defects have been introduced or uncovered in unchanged areas of the software. This is fully consistent with the correct answer A. I think this question is not difficult for you if you watch my video channel for absolutely free, only for subscribe. You could move mountains to achieve your dream. Don't stop, never give up.